In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPad that's disabled and says, "Connect to iTunes." Let's dive into it. Step 1. Use recovery mode. Start by connecting your iPad to your computer. Open iTunes, then force restart your iPad. For newer models, quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and then hold the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. For older models, hold the home and top buttons simultaneously. Once iTunes detects your iPad in recovery mode, follow the prompts to restore it. Step 2. Restore via DFU mode. Connect your iPad to your computer and open iTunes. Put your iPad in DFU mode by pressing the volume up button, then volume down button, and holding the top button until the screen goes black. Release the top button, then hold both the top and volume down buttons for 5 seconds. Release the top button, but continue holding the volume down button until iTunes detects your iPad in recovery mode. Follow the prompts to restore your iPad. Step 3. Use iCloud to erase your iPad. If Find My iPad is enabled, go to iCloud.com on any device and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Find iPhone, then choose your iPad from the list of devices. Click Erase iPad to reset it remotely. This method requires your iPad to be connected to the internet. Step 4. Use iTunes to restore. Connect your iPad to a computer with iTunes. When iTunes detects your device, click on the device icon and select Restore iPad. This will erase all data on the iPad, so make sure you have a backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process.